Hello guys, this is Gio. In this video I'm gonna pick the Medeco original. This one is a 6-pin Medeco. Works great. So let's reset the pin rotation and let's start picking. Alright. Just gonna drop something here. Okay. So I think I overset some pins there. Very easy to overset pins with this lock. Not satisfied. There we go. Let's just start over. I don't want to screw up. The picking that lock clockwise is a little bit hard mode because it's very hard to get any feedback from the pin sometimes. For example, here pin 1 is binding and I hear no clicks from him, even though he should click. There we go. Okay, now pin 3 is binding. Okay, pin 4. Okay, now we are in a false set. That's because pin 6 is a mushroom, so and it's hidden under a very low cut, so I'm using a very deep hook to try to get to it. Okay. I think we are good now. We can start rotating the pins. So pin 6 looks alright, pin 5 looks alright, pin 4 is okay, pin 3 needs some rotation. Okay, pin 1 need some more rotation. Let's go back to here. Pin 6 is alright, pin 5 is alright, pin 4, pin 3 is good, pin 2 appears alright. So last okay, pin 1 is good, pin 6 is good, pin 5 is good, pin 4 is good, pin 3 is good, pin 2 is good. So all the pins are correctly rotated, so what that means is that there is a bit of the mushroom on pin 6 that is still blocking at the shear line, and there we go. Medeco original, open. Oof, that's very rare. I can open this lock so quickly. Usually it takes much more time. So let's put that lock there and set up the thing to get it. All right. I need a screwdriver. Tabarnak. Oh shit. You know what? Just gonna put the key inside. There we go. Need something charger. We are gonna get it, hopefully. Oh yeah, it was very tightly screwed. Can I say that? Tightly screwed? This sentence don't seems correct, but anyway. Shit, almost no batteries. My phone just told me, so let's try to finish that quickly. I need a plug follower. Where is it again? Let's hope that one works. Barely. That one is a little bit too large. Oh. Okay, so this is sidebar. The little springs here, and the key pins 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, oops, 5 and 6. Alright, so now the driver pins. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard, very tiny one because it needs to accommodate for the huge size of the key pin, and whoops, 6 mushroom, the old style mushroom. So the there are the springs. One is still there. All right. And there we go. Medeco original. Nothing very complicated as long as you are lucky, and only a few pins need to be rotated and not all. That happens sometimes. And if you are stuck in a false gate that just refuses to let go, yeah, it can take some time. Alright, so let's zoom in. There you go. I really like those old style mushroom pins. So yeah, there it is for you. Medeco original 6-pin. I hope you enjoyed.